Hello, my lovely viewers. Unfortunately, the Myanmar gate seems to be closed, so we are not able to go inside and check the structures. So, for my viewers, I have an alternate route to the Myanmar gate, and that should please you very much. Enjoy an eagle's eye view of the Myanmar gate. Enjoy. Alright, hope you enjoyed the hawk's eye view of the Myanmar gate. And now we are in Bahvali Dam. It's around 15 to 20 kilometers away from the Myanmar gate, just opposite of the Myanmar gate. To take a long route, it takes around 20 minutes to reach here from the Myanmar gate. And believe me guys, this is an epic view. It's really beautiful. Look at the skyline and look at the lake. Look at the dam. Water is crystal clear and the sky is even more amazing. So in front we have the dam, and I'll take you back to the Hawkeye view of the waterfall. Enjoy.
It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about the love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost tonight. It's all about the dreams I've had. It's all about the life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind. Where am I going? I almost lost my mind. this circle spinning round. Where's my home? I think I lost my mind in something that can't be found. It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost tonight. It's all about the dreams I've had. It's all about life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind.
Welcome back. So here is a panoramic view of the dam, the Bahvali dam. Believe me guys, this is emerald green in color. I've never seen a lake or a dam which looks this pristine. It's crystal clear. Hope it remains clear for the future. Here are the mountain ranges. These mountain ranges stretch to Kalsubai peak and it's very wide. Look at the skyline. It's beautiful. It's a crystal clear day. The sun is shining bright. The clouds are dense. Look at the color, guys. The color of the water and the color of the sky and the mountain passes. It's really amazing. So now let me take you to the hawk's eye view again of this lovely lake.
Oh, I know that you go, my love, I think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow. And I want to hold your hands when it is cold. So I wait, but you hate. You have so much to say. For you, I'm true. I have so much to do. Though you know that I'm yours, my love, I think I'm gone. My love, I think I'm gone. Well, the day is done. I'll find. And you want to say goodbye. go.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the panoramic view of this mountain range and the dam. Now we'll be going towards, we'll be heading towards Kalsubai mountain ranges, and I'll show you how wide and how beautiful it is. The road over here is a bit bad, so excuse me for the camera stability. Guys, the reason why I'm making these videos is to de-stress, to unclutch a person who's watching this from stress. You know, in Mumbai, everyday life, pollution, targets, work pressure, bullying by the superiors, daily life is a grind. So you need a break once in a while to explore the nature, because I definitely believe nature heals. Heals your mind, heals your soul, and heals your body. The main reason I'm showing you bird's eye view is so that you can feel free, and feel free like a bird soaring in the sky. And giving you a bird's eye view will definitely make you feel better, on top of the world, I must say. So look at the mountain ranges. We are crossing the lake which we just shot with my drone, and we are heading ahead to Kalsubai Peak. So guys, what I want you all to know is that you need to take a break and come to this place. It's just 120 kilometers. So here is the mountain ranges. We have reached the Kalsubai Peak ranges. I'm showing all the mountains in front of me. And I must say, guys, this place is awesome. These are one of the highest peaks, actually the highest peaks of Maharashtra. It looks like a mini Bhutan to me. You don't need to go thousands of miles away to get to Bhutan and experience the mountain ranges, but you can just travel 140 kilometers and get this. I don't know what range is this, guys. People who know about these ranges or who do trekking can help me out, tag the mountain ranges. Thank you, and enjoy your journey through the mountains. I'll be shortly taking you through these mountains, not through these mountains, towards these mountains with a hawk-eye view. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
When
End of the journey, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like for more of such videos. Thank you, guys.